Go take it back to bed. Good boy. Put it in your bed. All the way. Take, good boy. What have you forgot to do? What's this? Close the door. Good boy. Stay. Stay. No more. What's this? What's this? Here. What's Mummy got? There you go. Good boy. And Joey, you went to bed as well, so you can have one. Good boys. Come Mummy up. Oh, you shut it. I need to get in it, you nana. Get off. Come here. Now, wait a minute. What do you say? Good boys. You want one? Okay. Wait, sit. Sit. Yes, I know you're asking, but sit. Good boy. Oh. Here, Joey, you can have one. You asked for it. Good boy. Now, Joey hurt your foot yesterday, didn't you, darling? Sit down. Sit down. Or you can have another one if you ask. There you go. You're really good. I've got one more for you. No, what I want you to do is sit. Sit down. No. No. Sit. Sit. No. Down. Down. Oh, you're going to give me your paw. Okay, you can have one. Can I have your paw? Give me a good boy. There, all gone. Say bye-bye.